Hey there, I want to thank you in advance for watching my video. Something I found to help the Darktable theme stand out a little bit more. So here in my settings I have selected from the general tab a dark table icons darker, and what I have is, you see, the Darktable theme, and it looks alright. It looks great actually. I appreciate the dark, and it helps me focus in on my image, and I was looking for something a little bit more punch, maybe something stands out a little bit more. So what I did find was going to this website here, Darktable Info. It basically looks like an independent community project for Darktable, and if you go to the system up here, these links, and I go to themes, and here you can see a selection of different themes, and they have the sliders now, could be orange or blue, gray, and I like the blue actually, so I select that one, and here's the code that you put in. It basically is telling you you put this code into your settings in Darktable. So I'm going to copy it, and I wanted to boost that a little bit more, so I put in my favorite AI chat, and I said, I have this theme I downloaded for Darktable. How do I make the font color a little bit more bright so it stands out more? And I paste what I had from that site. It came back and it suggests that it had a couple of recommendations for the background color, or maybe it's this foreground and plug-in local, the label. And I'm just going to do this one. I've tested this out before, and it's suggesting that I choose FFF as opposed to 9393. So it looks like there's 6 Fs I need to change from 939 and the defined color. So we minimize that, we copied it, I come back into Darktable, go to General, and I'm going to paste this in here, and I paste the code in there, and it's suggesting that I did the foreground as a 939. It's using it a couple different places, but here's the defined color, and I'm just going to go through and look for it, and here it is, FG color. So I'm going to change this to, we said 6 Fs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to save it, and instantly I'm going to close this now. This is the settings for Darktable, and you see what it did here. It changed my font bright white, and now I have the sliders in blue. So let's see how this works. I'm in the crop, actually perspective. I'm going to straighten out this line. It looks a little funky. So let's go in here, and this one, it looks like this one is blue as well. That's kind of neat. I see blue everywhere. So it looks straight there. I'm going to close this. It looks okay and cool. So far so good. It looks like I made the icon over here blue as well. Let's try another one. Oops, and let's try exposure this time. Okay, yeah, you can see the sliders blue up here. I like the contrast. So that's kind of cool. That's it for this. This is a really quick video. I just want to show you that. I found it. I thought it was kind of cool. I want to share it with you guys. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.